Welcome to this episode of our podcast, where we dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and development. Today, we're taking a closer look at the AI Devs 3 repository and its myriad examples designed for developers interested in integrating AI into their applications. We'll explore what it offers, how to get started, and why it's paving the way for future innovations. So let's jump right in. Well, AI Devs 3 is this incredible repository that comes packed with various examples and lessons specifically tailored for anyone keen to harness the power of JavaScript or TypeScript in AI projects. Now, what makes this repository really stand out? It's not just snippets of code. It includes complete back-end setups with frameworks like Node.js and Bun. First things first, you'll want to ensure you have the latest versions of Node.js and Bun installed on your computer. It's super easy to get started. You just clone the repository from GitHub using a simple command. Ah, the wonders of modern coding. I'll bet many of you have faced those daunting first steps in a new project. You know that moment where you're staring at a blank screen, wondering, where do I start? But with AI Devs 3, all you need is to clone the repo and install dependencies, and you're halfway there. Once you've got it all set up, you'll notice each example has detailed instructions. For instance, there's a demo example that showcases how to create a conversation thread between a user and an assistant with a summarization mechanism, which sounds pretty handy if you ask me. Imagine you're building a chatbot that needs to remember previous conversations to provide personalized responses. This is where summarization comes in. You run a command, and just like that, your server is up and running. It's like magic, but powered by JavaScript. One interesting feature in the repo is the chat interaction. You can send a message to the bot and see how it responds. It utilizes multiple calls to OpenAI's API, all summarized in its system message. It's like giving the bot a refresher of previous chats. But let's not stop there. For those of you itching to expand what you can do with AI, there's an example that demonstrates web searching with Firecrawl. This is a game changer. Picture it. Your bot not only generates responses based on previous conversations, but can also fetch live data from the internet. How cool is that? And if you're working with linear project management tools, you can hook them up directly through an API with proper keys. I often think about how these integrations can save so much time. You can automate the task management process right within your AI application. Now, transitioning to a slightly heavier topic, memory management in AI models. There's a segment that shows how to implement long-term memory by saving markdown files of conversations. It's like your bot is keeping a diary. But trust me, implementing memory can be tricky. You want to ensure your model doesn't remember everything, just the important bits. It's all about finding that balance. As we explore the various examples, like processing audio with 11 Labs or generating video summaries with Google AI Studio, I can't help but emphasize how accessible this technology is becoming. The barriers to entry are lowering, and with resources like AI Devs 3, anyone with a bit of coding experience can start tinkering with AI tools. And hey, here's a thought. How would you use AI in your daily life or work? Is there a project you've been dreaming about? Think about the impact it could have. Before we wrap up, let's quickly summarize some of the exciting things we've discussed today. From setting up with Node.js and Bun to developing a chatbot with memory capabilities, AI Devs 3 is a treasure trove for aspiring AI developers. It's an excellent platform for experimentation